Hello everyone, welcome to day 32 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a front post double crochet. So a normal double crochet is you chain 3, yarn over and you go under the V. So instead of that, you have to go, so this part of the stitch is the post. Okay. So when you go under it like this, so basically, so this is the first double crochet, you go under the post. Okay, so basically the post of the double crochet is over the hook, then it's called a front post. Okay, and you just do a normal double crochet after that. Again, insert between the stitch you just worked and come out of the next stitch like this and do a normal double crochet. Okay, again under the post, normal double crochet. So with this, the double crochets are stacked upon each other. So this is what is called a front post double crochet. Do try this out and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.